Ready? Yes, I'll still need you. Yes, I'll still feed you. Now you're 64. Happy birthday.
This is a take two. That is not how you sang it before. You sang, and I didn't know. What the heck are you singing? Will I still feed you? Will I still need you when I'm 64?
That's how I did it.
What the heck was that? It resembles something. I don't know what.
It's your 64th birthday. That's what it does.
Right, but I'm old enough to know that's not how it goes. Will I still need you? Like it, you know.
Will I still need you?
No.
What's that? Will I? Yes.
I know.
Because I'm changing the words. Because yes, I still need you.
Because
yes, I still feed you.
Yeah, you
now
didn't go down before.
64.
You went the same notes as the first phrase.
Nothing like being criticized on my special little birthday song for you.
I know that song from somewhere. It's close. It's close with. Wait, it has no rhythm. And the notes are wrong. And she changed the words. Maybe I can figure it out. Yeah. Oh, that's the Beatles.
Yeah, it's the Beatles.
No wonder they were famous. Yeah. Okay.
Happy birthday, dear.
Thank you. I love my birthday song.
Aww.
Kind of.